Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. In our previous lecture, we have studied about ORM method, which is known as mapped method, and what is the use case of the mapped method. In today's lecture, we will be studying about what is the search count method and what is the use case of the particular method in Odoo 19 for our custom module. Now, what is the search count method? So basically, it is a simple counting of the records which are done using the search count method. For example, currently you can see there are various records. Now, what if I want the total number of records in the particular model? Generally, what I have to do first, I need to search all the record ID, then use the len function above the search method to get the particular count of the records. Now, it can increase the complexity of the code. So in order to reduce the complexity and increase the speed, what we will do, we will use search count method. It will simply give the total number of records which are present in the particular search query. Now, in practical purpose, let's see in the code. Currently, I am in the library.book model, and here is our search method. I'll just use this particular record in our, as we have done in the previous lecture. What I'll do, I'll simply remove the mapped method, and here you can see normally if we use this search query, what it will do, it will fetch all the IDs of the particular records. Now I don't want ID, I only want total number of records which are present in the particular search query. So what I'll do, I'll simply use search underscore count instead of search. Now what I'll do, I'll simply here I'll just add a space and simply restart my server. Go to the browser, open any of the record, click on the search. In UI nothing happens, but in the logs we can see here, you can see total number of records is shown. Why? Because we have used search count method. Also remember, search count is similar to search method. So you can use the domain similar to the search method. For example, let's say we will use the domain as above, where the records which have state in available, we will use the same domain, and simply restart my server, remove the unnecessary logs. After that, go to the browser and here list view. Currently you can see there are 3 records which are in the available state. Now if I click on search and go back to the code, and here you can see we get the value of total records which are in available state is 3. So search count method is very efficient method instead of using the len function over the search method. So it is a very useful and important ORM method which can be used as per your requirement of the coding. I hope this small topic had been understood by you. If there are any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, thanks for watching.